My name is Gergő Rácz. I'm the chef of the Hungarian Embassy in Tokyo. We are going to make a körözött. It's a nice cottage cheese dip with some paprika powder. What is actually lots of Hungarian people loves it because it's one of the simplest food what moms at home can easily prepare.
So let me try this popular breakfast dish of Hungary, the körözött, together with the homemade bread. And I think this crispy bread and then this rich flavor goes very well with each other. This dish has more than 200 years of history. So it's been a long, long time that we have been eating this as an appetizer. And I myself really like it. Just as I thought. The sourness of the bread and then the richness of the körözött that comes from the spices and comes from the paprika and then of course the cottage cheese that has in it very well complement each other.
So what we need for it's cottage cheese, sour cream, paprika powder, sweet one, some caraway seed, some black pepper, some salt, and some freshness inside. You can use some onions, but it's actually, I do prefer using chives because of the color, because of the flavor. But if you just cannot buy the chives in the local supermarket, you just go for the red onion. First of all, what we're gonna do is simple. We're just gonna add everything into the bowl, nicely one by one. First of all, we're gonna add the cottage cheese and the sour cream. And with this mixture, we start a little bit like working out, nicely mixing it. Okay, after that, you're gonna add the paprika powder. You're gonna add this pepper. You're gonna add the caraway seed. You're gonna add the salt. And you start mixing it very well. You don't need to cut this one, it's like completely fine. You just chop it because it's gonna get a really nice feeling into the dip that is different size, a bit like a big one chopped, nicely crunchy. And you just fix it, mix it well. A smaller one, cleaner one. You're just gonna cover it with a nice plastic wrap and just set it in the fridge for maybe like half an hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, just for the flavors get into like together nicely.
The white wine we have together with the Körözött, with our appetizer, is a wine from Tokaj. Tokaj is very well known for its rich and fruity and sweet dessert wines. However, this is a dry Tokaj wine, a four-mint variety, and it's getting very popular as a dry white wine as well. We're also using it at the embassy, and personally, the four-mint variety is my personal favorite as well. This represents the town where it's made within the Tokaj wine region, and the city or the town is called Mad. It has a very crisp and a little bit fruity taste and touch. Just as I remember. It's very tasty and very good. I would like to encourage you to make this dish at home and try it. It's very easy to make. And then this rich flavor can remind you and then can make you remember of Hungary. And then the long history of this dish that goes back to about 200 years. And then maybe when you eat this dish and then you close your eyes, then you can remember the long and beautiful history of Hungary, the buildings of Budapest, as well as the Austro-Hungarian monarchy.